In the 80s and 90s, many people came to Asia for 1 month, sometimes 1 year. They trained later, then they went back to Europe and opened school. And this is how Wing Chun slowly became diluted. I have students who train a few months with me, receive a certificate and open schools without even telling me. This is not anger, this is responsibility. My name is Austin. I have trained and taught Wing Chun for over 50 years. I began in the era when training was strict, hands-on, and personal, under real lineage, real correction, real testing. Today in 2026, the world is not naive anymore. The internet shows everything. Structure shows weakness. The internet shows everything. Structure shows, weakness shows, conditioning shows. After 50 years, I have taught thousands worldwide, opened doors when others refused, represented traditional lineage since 1978, still training at 72. You cannot fake structure for 50 years. The body will reveal the truth. So let me show you the most important thing in Wing Chun, its structure and its foundation that you need to have before you move forward. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. So feet together, both fists on the side of your chest. The Wing Chun stance, knee relax. Body stay firm, do not bend forward or back, lean to the left or right. When you punch, do not extend your shoulder stay square. And this is the structure that you must get. Wing Chun power comes from the middle. The power comes from the whole body, from the ground, from the leg, from the body, shoulder, arm, wrist, and finally to the punch. So they all work at once. They're not separate. They work at once in Wing Chun. That's how we get a strong structure and a strong foundation. That's the first thing you must understand. The second thing that you must understand is the center line. So the Tan San and Wu Sao. The second thing you need to understand is the center line of Wing Chun. The Tan San Wu Sao, your middle finger in line with your nose, and make sure that you are in the center. So just practice that first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will practice my Bong Sao, Tan Sao, and punch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now when you lift your Bong Sao, the elbow is slightly lower than your shoulder. When it comes back to Tan Sao, the elbow is close, a punch away from your body. When you punch, your shoulder doesn't move forward, stay square, stay relaxed. That's where the power comes from. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Focus. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left hand, Bong Sao, Tan Sao, punch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and relax. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and relax. It's the first step to the next level, so it's important for you to get it right. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. Making sure that your structure are in a straight line. Do not bend forward or bend left or right. Make sure you have your center line. When you do your bong sao, tan sao, and your punch, your shoulders stay firm and relax. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Forward or back, left or right. Make sure you have your center line. When you do your bong sao, tan sao, and your punch, your shoulders stay firm and relax. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And relax. We need to perfect one technique each time. Practice this every day for 2 weeks. Your structure, your center line, your bong sao, tan sao, and punch will improve. If you train only 1 month, they might not be able to build this foundation. But if you follow this video and practice it every day, because we show you a faster way to get your foundation. My foundation might take time. Once you understand what you're doing, it's easy for you to get your foundation quickly. In a free world, anyone can open a school, but the body cannot lie, structure cannot lie, time cannot lie. If you truly love Wing Chun, build your foundation properly. Don't rush to understand. Real Wing Chun is responsibility. See you in the next video. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record 1 round, score yourself, and I'll show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.